Allah, Allah, Allahu Akbar.
For over 120 years, the legendary Nadwatul Ulama has been a distinguished center of higher Islamic learning in South Asia. Many internationally celebrated scholars have been among the faculty and graduates of this prestigious institution.
They design Islamic teaching with true understanding of Deen, with its true sources, without going to any kind of change in it. But same time, they are trying to connect it with our time's need and our time's problems.
Nadwa Online is a dynamic new learning platform that honors Nadwatul Ulama's core values of tradition, balance, and insight. Nadwa Online's classes will be taught by some of North America's most respected and well-known scholars.
It is crucial now for Muslims to understand what Islam really is. And so we need to have that light of the revelation, that light that comes through our understanding of our fiqh, of our tafsir, of our hadith, all the areas of Islam, in order to clear those wrong bits of information that are circulating around the world.
We have designed a new method to make Nadwa's core curriculum accessible everywhere.
That's why knowledge that is practical and it has wisdom, يعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة. This process of teaching the book and how to implement it. That's the kind of knowledge we need, and it's obligatory.
Nadwa Online will provide classes in English, Arabic, and Urdu. Now you can acquire Islamic knowledge from outstanding scholars in the comfort of your own home. Best of all, you can learn at your own pace, in your own language, and according to your own schedule.
So we want to make Islam accessible, its teaching accessible, easy, and is supposed to be shared by everyone.
Immerse yourself in a sea of Islamic knowledge and wisdom with the help of qualified experts. To learn more about Nadwa Online, contact us today.
And Alhamdulillah, now we are very grateful that Nadwa is providing this for us, and we can take advantage of it and we can benefit.